All right, Vortex. You've heard that word. You've seen YouTube videos about them. Magnificent accessories to your Weber. And I was on Amazon and I decided to look through them to see what types of Vortex they have. And I did research on obviously the original one and the one that everyone, purchases for their Webers. But I was looking at more specifically the knockoff versions of the Vortex. And I came across one that was stating that it was better than the original, better in any way, with the thickness of it. And I decided, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna purchase it, put it to the test to see how better it is, how it states things from that company. But here it is. As you can see, it looks just like the Vortex that you would purchase. And this one came with the clip that you can actually clip onto anything to hang it. And here's the barcode and where it states UVQ Vortex Weber 22. But we'll go ahead, give it a try, see how it goes. And what I'm gonna do is I have some chicken drumlets. I've already gone and I seasoned them. So all I do is gotta get the charcoal ready, put it on the Weber, and we'll go from there. But stick around, stay tuned, and we'll see how well this holds up. All right, I have the bottom of it wide open. I'm gonna put the charcoal grate down there. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to put the briquettes, the Kingsford briquettes in here and the Vortex and light them up that way. I know majority of the times you've seen the videos where they've done it by the chimney, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it this way. So I'll get to that. There it is. Got it going. All right, I'll place my grate. I also have a thermometer that I'll be monitoring the grate level, see how hot it's gonna get. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to evenly place the chicken drumlets around this Vortex like that. I'm telling you though, it is hot. Just like that. Now, what it's gonna do, hopefully, is gonna do an even cook on the drumlets, and then we'll get to it. All right, so I'm gonna monitor the temp. Here it is. And then I'm gonna see how long it's gonna take. But at the 30-minute mark, I'm gonna go ahead and open the lid and see how it looks, telling you it's hot. So it shouldn't take that long at all for these drumlets to cook, especially how thin they are, how little meat that they are on the chicken. So we'll go ahead and 30-minute mark, I'll bring you right back. It's been 1 minute since I put the lid back on the kettle, and that temp is climbing. See it goes, it's about to reach 400. Well, right there, 400. So it's getting hot in there. And we'll keep it going and see if it can remain that temp, a high temp, because that's what you want to go for to help get the chicken to crisp up that skin and a quick cook. So we'll see in 405. So we'll see how it goes, but we'll see what the temp, what's going to be in a little bit. All right, a quick update. After 14 minutes, the temp right now is sitting at 430. It's been slowly climbing up. So we'll see if it gets any higher than that. But just an update, and I'll get back right to it. All right, after 30 minutes, the temp in that Weber is at 450 after 30 minutes. So it keeps going up slowly by slowly. It goes up, and we're gonna get to it, open that lid, and see how those chicken drumlets look after 30 minutes. They are looking good. Juicy. So that's how it looks after 30 minutes. We're gonna go for a little more. I can feel that heat from right here. Pull the foam back a little towards me. But we're gonna let it rock. I'm gonna check back in actually maybe in 15 minutes. I'm gonna check back and see how they look. But I'll tell you what, they smell and look good. We'll get back to you. Well, I'm right back at it. And actually I wanted to probe the chicken before I put the lid back on at the 30-minute mark of checking it. And I gotta tell you, I started to check the legs, drumlets, and they are way over. They're done. So what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna pull them off and see how they look and taste. Well, that was a quick cook. You know, when I thought that it was actually gonna go maybe a little longer. Like I said, I mentioned I was gonna let it go for 15 more minutes. But as I showed before, I went and I probed them and they were done. So pretty good, 30 minutes, and the temp way over 400. And right now it's still going. And there's the temp for it right there, 464. So that's working out pretty good for being a knockoff, you know. And I tell you what, I have it covered right now, the chicken drumlets, but I can just smell it. I can smell the seasoning. I mean, I'm guessing it's just how hot it got, and it just crisps up the skin and just makes the aroma, the smell of the chicken drumlets even more out there, more powerful. I mean, it smells real good. But I'm gonna pull one up right now and see what it looks like. There it is. Just 30 minutes. It smells good and it's still hot. It's still hot. And just want to say, you know, if you have a real original BBQ Vortex and you watch this video, comment, let me know what you think that is good about what I just displayed right now with this knockoff Vortex compared to the original. Let me know what you think, how good it is and how well it would match up against a real original Vortex. But it's pretty good. Well, I'm gonna go and take a bite. Hopefully it's not too hot, but if it is, it'll be worth it. It smells good and I'm sure it's gonna taste good. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh man. You know, I can see why people want to make these knockoffs of the original Vortex. And that original, they did well on that. Well on that. Oh yeah, look at that. So, what's your opinion on the original real Vortex compared to what I just showed you that I purchased from Amazon? What's your take on it from just watching this video? Comment below and I'll go ahead and I'll put a link to this Vortex that I purchased from Amazon. If you want to go ahead and give it a try and see how it compares to original Vortex, that real one. But it's been a fun day, fun cook, and this is June 1st, 2019, and this is actually my birthday. So this was pretty cool to be out here to do this. Enjoy my day, do this little experiment here with this Vortex that I purchased from Amazon. But thank you for watching. If you subscribe, thank you. If you're thinking about subscribing, please do. There's gonna be more content out there for you to watch. Until then, smoke on. Have a good day.